Great day, my revivers. Today I am starting a giveaway, and all of the details for this giveaway is on my other channel. So this giveaway is for my other channel. So I wanted to guide anyone that didn't know I had another channel. It is the CPR Vibe, and I will put the link in the description above so you can see it. And go to that channel. You will see the same exact thumbnail on this channel, and that video is going to give you all the details of this great giveaway. And this is not going to be for one person, two person, three person, four person. It is going to be for multiple people. So if you are interested and you love my channel and didn't know that I had a whole nother channel that is all spiritual and beautiful, empowerment, enlightening, and just mentoring and transformation of our lives, mind, body, and soul. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit the link below and go to the other channel to see what this great giveaway is all about. See you guys on the other side. Later, gators.